Hello everyone. So what is exactly original sound in Zoom? So we can see here from the Zoom support center. So original sound allows you to preserve the sound from your microphone without using Zoom's echo cancellation and audio enhancing features. So for example, let's say you have a great audio setup, great microphone and studio, and you just want to have that original sound. Where it's just like good sound and you don't need additional enhancements and stuff like that. So yeah, you can just select that option then. Just go to settings, audio, and then just click advanced and then show in meeting option to enable original sound from microphone. There you have it. And then while you are in the meeting, you can just turn original sound here, or turn on and turn off original sound.